In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Outlook data file location. If you're someone who uses Outlook frequently, you might find it beneficial to know how to adjust where your data files are stored. This is particularly useful if you're looking to free up space on your primary drive or organize your files more efficiently. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start on your Outlook homepage. This is your main hub where you access all your emails, calendar events, and more. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can tweak various settings to optimize your Outlook experience. After clicking the gear icon, the next step is to navigate to the account settings. This section allows you to manage different aspects of your Outlook account, including where your data files are stored. Once the settings menu loads, select Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can see various options related to your account. Now, you'll want to look for the Storage option. Click on Storage, which will open a section that provides detailed information about your current data storage setup. Here, you'll be able to see where your data files are currently located and how much space they are occupying. This is a key step because it gives you a clear overview of your storage situation, enabling you to make informed decisions about where to relocate your data files. At this point, you'll be able to view all the storage information related to your Outlook files, including their current location. With this information at hand, you can decide on a new location for your data files that better suits your needs, whether that's moving them to a different drive with more space or organizing them in a more accessible folder. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the location of your Outlook data files. Remember, organizing your data files not only helps in managing space, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your email and data management. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day managing your Outlook files.